Now, in the first lesson, I want to give you a quick overview of SEMrush, the different features, sections, and the data you have access to. As you can see, there's lots of stats, so please don't get confused and overwhelmed. I'll walk you through the most important features and tools in this course. Well, what's the starting point of working with SEMrush? The starting point is this search box over here. So you can search and run a competitive analysis for a root domain like Amazon.com, for specific URLs like a landing page, or for keywords like Facebook ads or social media marketing, right? Then you have the different analytics sections on the left-hand side, like the domain analytics with the subsections, organic research, backlinks, advertising research, PLR research, and so on. Then we have a section about keyword analytics, like overview, phrase match, related keywords, ads history. We can create different projects like and run a site audit or do position tracking. And then we can even create customized reports. Now, if you enter a keyword, or here it's a domain, Amazon.com, and if you hit the search bar, this is what you will see, right? Lots of data. And the sections that you see here are actually snippets, they're snapshots. And if you click on organic search, for example, you can get access to more data. Let me show you what I mean. So now I clicked on organic research, and I see different keywords, right? And how Amazon.com is actually ranking for these keywords over here. What I can do now to get more specific results is adding filters. So if I hit filter, I can do, for example, the following thing, looking for keywords that have a search volume of more than 250 searches a month. Let's hit apply. Perfect, here we go. Now I just got more specific results. If I want, I could even add more filters to it. And well, to save the data, what I can do is just hitting the export button here and exporting all the data in an Excel or CSV file.